Have you ever wondered why celebrities get away with illegal stuff? Well, I want to take you through the latest example, which is the Justin Timberlake DWI case. So, back in June, Timberlake was pulled over after he ran a stop sign and swerved into the opposing lane. And when he was pulled over, the officer reported smelling alcohol on his breath. Now, the original charge of this would have been a year in prison in addition to a $2,500 fine. However, now Timberlake pled guilty to a misdemeanor, which would reduce that fine to only about $500. And this isn't exactly the first time that a celebrity has gotten kind of lenient treatment. And a lot of people start to wonder, why does this keep happening? Is it their wealth? Is it their influence? Is it their fame? Though in retrospect, it's likely a combination of all three. And are you tired of seeing people get away with illegal stuff? Or do you want a reputation that stands up to scrutiny? Well, contact me at 646-249-3561 to build your reputation that can stand up to scrutiny.